Hey folks, it's Brian with the Hearing Club. So I just wanted to share some really great news with you guys. Starting January 29th, that was yesterday, all the way to February 23rd. Jabra is going to be running a promotion, and if you get the Jabra Enhanced Pro 20s at Costco, it will come with a free TV Streamer Plus. Now, this thing costs over $200, so it's a pretty good discount. And there seems to kind of be a pattern going on. First, the Philips 9050s were offering this promotion for about a month, and now Jabra's doing the same thing. So, who knows? Maybe after Jabra is done with this promotion, maybe Rexon might offer the same thing, so we'll see. I don't know. I have not heard anything, but, it's a possibility. Now, a couple of important notes. If you have the Jabra Enhanced Pro 10, this TV streamer will not work. You're going to have to use the TV Streamer 2, which is the older model. Now, you guys might be wondering, do I even need this TV Streamer Plus? Well, here's the deal. What this device does is it will stream the TV audio directly to your hearing aids. So for all you folks out there that have trouble understanding the dialogue when you're watching TV, this thing can really help you out. Now, we can all hear the TV just fine, but for some reason, it's just very hard to understand the dialogue when people are actually talking. Honestly, I think this is just a Hollywood issue when they're editing the movies and making the movies. They add all these sound effects and all this music, and it's like they purposely keep the dialogue volume down. I don't get it. And you guys aren't alone. Even folks without hearing loss have the same exact issue. Many people out there use subtitles for this very reason. Now, of course, you can just turn up the volume until you can hear the people talking, but what happens? Everything else is way too loud. Well, that's where this device will help you out. So the TV Streamer Plus sends all the audio from the TV directly to your hearing aids using Auracast or Bluetooth 5.3. Now, this is supposed to give you better sound quality than the previous model, the TV Streamer 2. Now, since it's using the new Bluetooth 5.3 codec and is Auracast enabled, you will have the ability to broadcast the TV audio with other wireless devices that are also Auracast enabled. So what this means is that while you're watching TV and while the streaming is coming directly through your hearing aids, and if your husband or wife or kids or whoever else has a pair of Auracast wireless earbuds or another pair of Auracast enabled hearing aids, they can just tap right into your stream and they can listen to the TV audio, the same thing you're hearing, through their devices as well, just like you. Another nice thing about the TV Streamer Plus is while you're getting that direct feed right into your hearing aids, the other person that you're watching TV with can still hear the TV through the speakers just like normal. So they can control the volume of the TV just using the remote like normal, and you can also adjust the volume that's coming through your hearing aids separately. Now, if you're watching TV by yourself and it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you don't want to disturb your partner, you can actually mute the TV and still listen to the TV just like you're wearing a pair of wireless headphones. So you can watch TV as loud as you want and you're never going to disturb your partner. Now, the new TV Streamer Plus is also a lot smaller than the older one. I'd say it's about the size of a Roku box, and you can actually attach it to the TV using the double-sided tape that's included. Now, the new TV Streamer Plus is also much easier to connect to your hearing aids to get it paired. You can just pair your hearing aids with a single push of a button. Super easy. And for anybody that's having trouble getting this TV streamer to work or any of the other TV streamers, don't worry, I plan on doing some how-to videos for each streamer really soon, because a lot of people have been asking me for it. Now, again, this promotion's going on all the way to February 23rd. So if you're planning on getting a new set of hearing aids, the Jabras are pretty great. I use them myself and I've been very happy with them. And now would be a great time to, finally pull the trigger if you've been thinking about it. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can either leave a comment or send me an email. Now, make sure you guys watch the next video if you want help getting this thing installed, connected. I've got a step-by-step instructional guide for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.